What's up, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in, another video for the Mark V R32. So today we're going to talk about this product right here called CANchecked. Pretty much you get to build your own parameters and select what engine code goes with the thing. Unfortunately, this problem, I've run into a couple hiccups with this company. So I emailed them originally, hey, what engine code, because the pretty much CBRA engine for the Mark V or the BUB engine does not actually show up on their parameter TRI file. And so they told me what file, and as I could see, it's like I've checked their file from what they told me to go to, and it just doesn't work at all. That's literally where I'm at. And from there, I was like also supposed to receive a Haldex license here in order for me to just go back and forth and you know, have it set for success, and with no avail. So I kind of have a dud. And then the other aspect I found was that here's the vent for the obviously the module here, hence the reason I have it open. And so when I measure this distance, you know, from here to here, you can definitely tell that you're going to run into some sort of issues in fitment. And the other aspect is when I receive this, it already has a stress fracture. Now, I knew it's the holidays currently, and I get it, you know, but we're not there yet. So you can't call, you know, close shop and say, hey, you know, where's the customer service, you know, and I'm like, I'm here in the States, and I'm like, well, you know, I haven't checked pretty much any forum that usually has anything. I've checked everything pretty much on YouTube, and it seems to be mainly focused in Germany. I would like to be like, hey, you know, at least it's here in the States, and it seems like a cool product. They kind of reinforce what's currently going on with the polar fists, since I've had issues where this has changed parameters or like failed on me in regards to memory, and it resets itself into pretty much a clean slate, and me having to reprogram it to do every function whatsoever. So yeah, just you know, letting you guys know about this product, and let's hope they rectify it. And the reason I'm posting this video is so they can actually see that, hey, like, I've tried. I literally have tried. Like, it shouldn't be the company I went through to purchase it. It should be directly to them, because that's technically who the one provides the license and the service. And if they're going to be like SRS Tech, then you know, need to actually be advertising a product that they don't, you know, support. You know, or can actually back it up and say, hey, you know, the customer service is there. So anyways, that's just my 2 cents, guys. All right, guys, well, happy holidays, and I'll talk to you guys soon. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, let a comment below, and we'll chit chat later. Sorry, just a little bit chilly out here. You know, as you can see, it's 37 out there.